A number of you have expressed some frustrations with the Excel assignment. I'm going to run through this now so that hopefully we can clarify some of it for you. So please pay close attention. These are the instructions here on this side, and I'm just going to start with number 9, where we are naming the ranges. Now, when I look over here, this is where the name box goes, and the numbers that you, or the names that you see here, are what you're going to put in the name box. Now, in this example, they've already been done for you. You can see the interest has been put in that box, and the same is true of the principal and the other ideas. So all you simply did is double click on the box and then type in the information I showed you here. The second part, which is number 10, is where you actually move to these cells like D3, and what you're going to do in D3, you're actually going to do this particular formula. You're going to say equals interest. So in other words, we're using the word interest, which would be this amount right here. So if I should change that to 6.5, it automatically will change in the formula. It will change the interest, whatever the interest may be. All right. Now, having done all of that, I show you here too about where it says D9. Here is D9, and notice it says equals principal. So if I change this principal to, say, 175,000, it automatically will change it right here. The next part deals with the instructions for filling in this one, and you'll notice that right here it says absolute payment, and it says C10. So what we're doing is we're taking the payment minus C10, and C10 is right here. Now, the next one that you're going to be doing, I skipped the one on rate. The one for rate is this one right here. Okay, and that would be the first one. So you would fill that in. And then lastly, this is the one for D9. And of course, it's this one, it's this one right here. Okay, and then where a lot of you are getting confused, you see there's nothing else below it. What you have to do now, and I had you select A9 through A300, and you'll see this is where you simply copy down. The next one I asked you to do, and this may be a little confusing, you go from B10, not B9. If you have B9, then you probably have the old assignment, but go with B10. This would be B10, and you just simply scroll over, and you just simply grab it at the bottom here, and you're going to go down. And you're going to go down until you get to the end at 369, and when you let go, it automatically calculates it for you. All right? And now I'm going to go back to the top. So I hit Control H, and there we go. Now I did ask you to make sure that in this section that you had set the formulas correct. All right. Last, I think I told you to go to, I think it was F10. It really doesn't matter. And I had you put in the names of this part here, and all you simply do, I think it was F12. Okay, F12. And if you look at it, all you have to do is just follow this. Go to formulas, all right? Use in formula, and then I say paste names, and I simply say paste the list. And there it is. Hopefully this has been of some help to you. If any of you have any other questions, please contact me as soon as you can. Thank you very much.